Hey dear code wranglers, welcome back to the channel where we take your HTML game from mad to wow. Master that you can say dip. Today we are diving into the world of mighty dip, the Swiss army knife of HTML. It's like the duct tape of web development. It holds everything together but no one really appreciates it. So buckle up because by the end of this video you'll be using div so well that even your code will ask for an autograph. Ready to master the unsung hero of the web? Let's jump in. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, so let's talk about in the what is the HTML? What is the iframe? So let's talk about it. What is the iframes in the HTML? So let's start. An HTML iframe is used to display a web page within a page. Now, HTML iframe syntax. If I told you the HTML iframe syntax, the HTML iframe tag specifies one inline frame. An inline frame is used to append another document within the current HTML document. Like this one syntax is just showing you. In this syntax, I'm using the iframe and in it I write sharing attribute and title attribute. Tip. It is a good practice to always include a title attribute for the iframe. This is used by screen readers to read out what the content of the frame is. Iframe set height and width. Use the height and width attributes to specify the size of the iframe, and the height and the specify in pixels by default. This one example it is showing you. In this example, I am using the iframe in which I write iframe attribute in which I write seric and height and width and title. So let's run this example. Let's copy this example and let's come on my Visual Studio and let me create a one window. And then I'm creating here one file, and I'm giving my file names will be index.html. Any type of name you give to your file, okay? And then I'm pasting this code here. Okay, here I'm using I'm use the height and width attributes to specify the size of the iframe. Save, and then let me open my documents, and then let me open my index.html file. So it is looking like this. So why our file has been not coming? Because we do not have any file by the name of demo underscore iframe.html. So let's create that file, demo iframe.html, and I'm making this file and I create the file, and then doc type declaration, then html, then body. Then I'm writing here h1 should be hi Ryan. Now save it, and then when we run it, so save iframe.html and run. Why it is not coming? Demo.iframe, why this file has been not coming? So let me create this file. Okay, now it is coming like this. Okay, and now here I'm erasing this code and I'm writing here h2 hi I am Ryan. Save and run. So here is coming hi I am Ryan. So you can see it. You can use the height and width attribute to specify the size of the iframe, or you can add the style attribute and use the CSS height and width properties also using the style attribute. So let me show you when I run this example. Sorry, not here, here. So save it and run it. So you can see it is style also. Okay, it will be high. You can also use the CSS height and width properties with the size of the iframe. Here you can see we are using the style height and width properties. Here you can see it, like here you can see iframe remove the border. By default, an iframe has a border around it. To remove the border, if you want to remove the border, add the style attribute. Which attribute? Style attribute, and use the CSS border property. So here the border is coming. So how to remove it? So you only want to do it right here. Border will be none. Save and run. So here you can see the border has been gone. So using the border border property, you can remove the border. With CSS, you can also change the size and color of the iframes border. Let me show you. So you only want to do it, first of all, remove this width and height, and then right here 2 pixels solid should be red. Save and then run. So you can see the red box has been came. Now iframe target for a link. And iframe can be used as the target frame for a link. The target attribute. The target attribute of the link must refer to the name attribute of the iframe. This one example it is showing you. Here you can see it. Now let's run this example. Now here let me run this example. Now let me remove this, and here I am pasting my channel link, and let me write my channel CodeWithPk, and then let me open my channel, and this is my channel, and then I am copying the link of my channel, and then I am pasting it here. Save and then run. Now here it's coming like this. I am Rayan like this. So I am removing this from here, and then I am writing here CodeWithPk.com. Save and run. So here you can see CodeWithPk. When the target attribute of a link matches the name of an iframe, the link will open in the iframe. Let me show you. So here you can see the link will be open. Refuse to connect. Okay, it is coming. There is coming refuse to connect. Okay, so let me see why it is not coming. Okay, let me remove these all the things. Okay, let me remove this also. Now save it and run it. So CodeWithPk.com, why it is not okay? Like I've told you, when the target of attribute of a link matches the name of an iframe, the link will open in the iframe. Okay, but it is not matching the name, so that's why it is not opening. Okay, if I write okay, that's why it is not opening. Now let me save it from here. Okay, then let me comment here. Chapter summary. In today's video, we learn about the first, the HTML iframe that specifies the inline frame. Number two, we talk about the seric attribute, which is in our image element also. The seric attribute defines the URL of the page to embed. Number three, we learn about always include a title attribute for a screen readers. Then number four, the height and width attributes we use to specify the size of the iframe. And then number five, we use the border none to remove the border around the iframe. So here you can see in today's video we talk about in the HTML what is the iframe. So if you enjoy this video, so like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all notification bell also. So I was about these type of videos on our full stack web development. So come on to my Google and search here CodeWithPk channel. And why you are not subscribing my channel? We completed 600 videos very successfully. Yes, and please subscribe my channel. Why you are not subscribing it and you are not seeing my videos? Why? Please see my all the videos. I uploaded one video 1 week ago and you are not seeing that. So please see that. And now come on to the playlist, and then come on to my full stack web development playlist. And when you come on it, so come on my here, then subscribe my channel and bookmark my all the videos and access my all the playlists of it and see my all the videos. And you successfully completed 441 videos on my playlist, so please go on with 500. Okay, but anyways, now I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. But let me give the out of this video in the bigger screen. So let's move to the bigger screen and let's give the out of this very beautiful and very awesome video. So let's move to the bigger screen and let's give the out of this video. There you have it, folks. The power of humble dev. It's not just a box, it's the box that makes the internet happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, because let's be real, you will need more laughs and code tips in your life. Until next time, keep coding, keep laughing, and remember, div doesn't just divide, it conquers. See you in the next one. So for today, goodbye.